and you want to learn how to make mini donuts. That's what we're going to do today. First, we're going to start off with our oil. You want to take this here, your conveyor belt. I like to call this the conveyor belt. You want to take that out a little bit, and you're going to pour oil directly into the donut barrel. Okay, here's my oil. So I'm reusing oil that I used the other day. And reuse oil, just make sure it doesn't go rancid. And if you have a donut shop, you want to change it, or depends on how much value you bring. All right, let's pour our oil directly into the mini donut barrel. Now that the oil is in there, you're going to take your conveyor belt and slowly ease it on in. We're going to use the filter over here. Should have actually took it out before I put the oil. That's just a heads up, guys, just so you don't get messy. But still maneuver it and glide that in slowly. So, and you see the oil coming into the conveyor belt. Now, that's your oil line right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 notches, guys, right? But when you put oil in at first, you want it to just, you see the oil where it's at? Start there. We're going to put the temperature on, but start there because oil expands. Not want to go above that line. Turn our temperature on. 375, that's what you should cook on. You'll know your mini donut machine is at temperature when this light turns on. When you buy a Lil Orbits machine, they recommend a solid shortening. I use a clear frying oil, preferably soybean oil. The oil is at temperature, but you can see there the oil line is not at the 4 ridges there. Here's when we'll just add more oil. I use a picture. Remember, try not to go above those notches. Oil expands when you're putting fresh oil. Try to just go maybe right before it, right at it. That oil will expand. Your mini donut machine is now at temperature. Back when I had my mini donut shops in New York City, we had our own proprietary mix. But today, we'll be using Lil Orbits Cake Donut Mix. It's really easy and simple to use. They have their instructions right on the bag. It's also, check that out, UD listed, kosher. It contains wheat, egg, milk, and soy ingredients. No nuts. The time you guys been waiting for. Let's make mini donuts. Okay, guys. First of all, you definitely want to get yourself a KitchenAid, okay? You also need a kitchen scale, okay? And then, here's the simple and easy way to make Lil Orbits mix. You can follow the instructions to the T, you can. But I'm going to show you the easy way. All you need to do is weigh 2 pounds of mix and 1 pound of water. Use bottled water. You don't want to use pH water that has pH that's too elevated. I recommend just use regular bottled spring water. Okay, we're going to turn this on. Make sure your scale is on pounds. And we'll add the mix, 2 pounds. Then we'll add water, 1 pound. So it could total 3 pounds. And there we are. We're at 2 pounds. Now let's add 1 pound water. There we are. 3 pounds total. Time to mix it up. So first you want to start off by slowly mixing. Increase the speed a bit. Take a rest. Bring it up. And what you want to do is scrape all around the bowl. You want to scrape all that excess dough that's around the bowl. So when you're done mixing at the end, you shouldn't see any dry mix. It should all be nice and wet. All right. And we're going to mix again. This time, you can increase that speed all the way. And you want to let that baby whip. Now, in regular donut operation, you may not have much time. The more you let it whip, the fluffier the donut will be. You want to be able to mix your mix for about 1 to 2 minutes. When it's all done, you'll have a nice mix just like that. Preferably, you will want your mix to rest, but in regular donut operation, most of the time it can't rest. You're going to get that right in the hopper. Let's get our donut mix in the hopper. Scrape around this bowl here. Make sure you get all the donut mix down. Here's what I like to do. Rest it right on the hopper bowl, and then with your left hand, scoop all that mix inside. Any excess mix, bring it down along and repeat the process. One and two. Temperature is ready. I think we're ready to make mini donuts. Okay, just some notes before you get started. This is your motor speed right here. Some donut machines you might have to start on the max, which is about 10. I like to start at around 9. If you make mini donuts too fast, they won't cook all the way through. So I'm gonna start at 9, and it depends on your machine. You might have to adjust that speed a little more or a little less. Let's get started. Another note, remember that you have your plunger in the hopper bowl before you add your mix. We're gonna start with just one donut for you guys. Just start with one mini donut. And then we're gonna run this full machine, the whole 3-pound mix. Since we only made one donut, I'm holding up this one donut before it gets onto the flipper. We're gonna let that get onto the flipper. I can see that it's golden brown on the other side. Beautiful. Wow. She is beautiful. And we're gonna let that up right onto the flipper. and into our drain pan. Here is one mini donut. Now let's crank the speed. We're gonna make our whole batch. When they first come out, the mini donuts, you want about 6 mini donuts in the chamber before you let it on to the flipper. That's 4, that's 5, and 6 just came out. I'm gonna hold it up a little more. Now I'm gonna let that onto the flipper. Beautiful golden brown. Hold it again until there's 8 donuts over here in this chamber. That's 6. 2 more. And that's 8. From there, you can let them go freely onto the flippers. Every once in a while, you'll have a little malfunction, maybe, if you will. Nothing crazy. You'll have maybe a donut that didn't flip properly or that kind of thing, and that's when you got to manually come in and help it out. So at this point, we could just watch. Throughout your mix, you're going to want to push it down into the hopper. That's all. 2-pound mix, 1 pound water, 3 pounds total. Simple, easy. You'll know when you need to add oil when your donuts aren't flipping properly. What do you guys think? Do you think you can make 1,200 mini donuts in 1 hour? And that's the close to the end of this mix, and you could tell because they're starting to get a bit skinnier. In this case, you'll add more mix or you just cut it off. In this case, we're going to cut it off. Recommendation, you only cut it off when that hopper stick is up. Click, I just cut it off. The flippers you're not going to turn off until all the donuts are ran out. We're going to scoot these along. Oh, that's what happens. If you ever have a donut stuck under the flipper, just stop the flipper and get that donut out. Be careful you don't get the flipper off track. There we go. Donut rescue. Flipper back on so it could come down. Mini donut operation is over. Make sure you turn the temperature off. And that concludes our how to make mini donuts video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more mini donut videos.